In today's video, I'm going to show you how to set up a Wise account. Whether you want to manage personal finances or handle international business payments, Wise makes the process simple and secure. To get started, visit the Wise website or open the Wise mobile app and begin the sign up process. The first thing you'll need to choose is your account type. Wise gives you two options, personal or business. Selecting the right one is important because it determines how you'll use the account. If you're creating a personal account, you'll be asked to enter your legal name exactly as it appears on your identification. This helps Wise verify your identity. Next, provide your date of birth followed by your home address and phone number. These details are required for security and regulatory checks, so make sure everything is accurate. If you're setting up a business account, the process includes a few extra steps. You will need to enter your official business name and registration address. Wise will also ask for your business tax ID, which is used to confirm your company's legal status. Depending on your business type, you may be asked for additional information such as ownership details or company structure. Throughout the setup, Wise guides you clearly at every step, making the process beginner-friendly. It helps to have your personal ID or business documents ready before you start, as this can speed things up. Before submitting your application, take a moment to review all the information you entered. Double-checking details helps prevent verification delays and ensures your account works smoothly once activated. And that's it. You've successfully learned how to set up a Wise account. With your account ready, you can start sending money, receiving payments, and managing multiple currencies with ease. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next guide.